Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. Currently Walmart has a lot of hart brand tools and some knives as well. So I want to quick show a special knife deal that I saw by Walmart that I did test out. I don't know much anything about that hart brand. It looks to me like a typical made in China rebrand. But anyways, the item comes in a 2-pack. This knife here, we see a 4-in-1 utility knife, 2-pack. It has some more information there about the ruler, the bottle opener, and else. And has a little paper with it as well, but it's mainly warnings and advertising. So we see there it has a quick change blade mechanism and all that, and we have the website is harttools.com. So that's the packaging, and basically what we have is the same knife, one in black and one in silver color. It's a matte gray silverish color there. So both are completely the same, just the color is different. The black one got a coating on it. So we mainly look at the silver one because it's a bit easier to see. What we have is a typical sliding utility knife. You press the button and you can slide it forward. It has two positions. That's actually gonna be a bit easier to see on this. So that is the first position if you want to open the boxes, something like that. And this is the position where the blade is fully out. So that comes really handy with that short little stubby blade. If you open the boxes, you don't want to cut anything in it, so that you only use a small part of the blade. So we have the button on top, as I said, to push it in and out in the different positions. Really nice. Then we have that blue button here, that is the lock for the unlocking the blade. So as we press it in, hopefully the camera see that it presses out this part of the stainless steel there, so you can take out the blade. So you go all the way forward, press that out, and then the blade simply comes out. The locking is in this part here, so you can reverse the blade. So you have two sides that you can actually use. Then you simply press the button again. It's a bit cumbersome in front of the camera, and it locks in it, and that's all what it is. Of course, all of the razor blades in that size gonna fit in there. There are some with hooks, there are some with serrated edges and different coatings, titanium coatings and all that. So that is that. Then we have the hex cut out for bits. There is no locking part at all. You simply put the bit in it and hold it with your hand. That is all what it is. Then we have on the bottom here the inch ruler. On the other side we have the same ruler but in millimeters. On top of it is the deep Caddy pocket clip. So the item is really absolute deep Caddy. The pants seam goes all the way up, so it's a bit harder to drag out. Worst case, you can put in a piece of paracord hanging out through the hole there, but then you can't use the bit anymore. And to the last tool, the part in front here, you can use that as a bottle opener as well. So it has quite some tools in that tiny well-made product. So far I did not have any problems. We have to say, as we cut with the item, sometimes if you cut a bit harder, press a bit more down, it could be that you press the the lever here, you need to be careful that you are safe with the finger here, of course, and with the thumb, that you don't press down here. But we have to see, this is a special version of a pocket knife that is not for bigger cutting tasks. It's just easy to carry, easy to use, and to cut like boxes and stuff. So other than that, no problems at all. I did mainly use the silver one for a good while now. The black one has the problem that it has a black coating that may flake off. That is how that is. For the price of the product, that is really low priced. You're not gonna get a titanium coating that lasts well. But all in all, it's really well made for what it is. The stamped sheet design is well. There is no sharp edges around it, so it's perfect for a pocket carry, at least in these two versions that I got. And yeah, if you are interested in such a design that actually works, some of the smaller knife designs like this unfortunately don't work because they are made out of plastic and too flimsy and all that. Some more I'm gonna show in videos in the future that unfortunately did not work. So I was really amazed how well those hart tools did work. So that much about the hart tools from Walmart.